If you're having four-wheel drive engagement or disengagement issues and getting a C0378 or 79 code for your front axle engagement, it's an extremely high probability the front four-wheel drive actuator on the front differential is this cause of your problem. It's really easy to replace. It's found on the front differential. If it's easier to have access, you can take off the skid plate. On this vehicle it wasn't necessary. Was able to get a pair of channel locks in there and start it free, and then was able to spin it out by hand. And then the new one's just going to take some thread tape here to help seal the threads, so do 3 or 4 laps of that and screw it back in so it doesn't leak, and clean up the threads there on the inside and screw it in, and that should take care of that kind of a problem. Might be worth checking your front differential fluid at the time if you notice any signs of leaks or anything in the area. But other than that, really easy, straightforward fix and solve the problem on this vehicle. I hope you found this useful and that you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.